mocked me for working drive-thru. Now he drives for me. I used to dread the headset beeps. Welcome to Burger King. What can I get started for you? That phrase haunted my high school years. I didn't have the luxury of skipping work after school. My mom was sick. Bills stacked up faster than I could restock the fry bins. So yeah, I worked the drive-thru every weekday from 4 to close. And that's where Caleb Foster made it his personal mission to remind me where I stood. He'd come through in his daddy's Audi with his friends, music blaring. I'd hear them laughing even before they pulled up. Every time he'd order something stupid just to drag it out. Let me get a oh wait, this ain't McDonald's, is it? Laughter. Yo, you want fries with that GED? More laughter. One night, he threw a handful of pennies at me through the window. Tip for the career man! He yelled as they peeled out. I never responded, never fought back. I needed the job, and Caleb knew it. He was everything I wasn't. Star quarterback, rich parents. His Instagram had 1,000 photos and not a single ounce of humility. And every post he made reminded me of what I didn't have. Money, freedom, a future. But I had something else. Work ethic. While Caleb cruised through life on his dad's money, I grinded. Graduated high school with a 3.9 GPA. Took community college classes during the day. Flipped burgers at night. Transferred to state. Majored in business. Took every side hustle I could get. Uber, deliveries, flipping furniture on Craigslist. If it paid, I did it. By 25, I launched a logistics company out of a crappy storage unit. Just me, my laptop, and a dream of becoming the person I used to serve food to. I failed. A lot. Late invoices, truck delays. One winter, I had to choose between paying my driver or eating. I chose the driver. But slowly, I built something. Hired 2 employees, then 5, then 15. We streamlined last mile delivery for local companies that couldn't afford Amazon level efficiency. By 32, we had contracts in 3 states. I leased a small fleet. We got noticed. A bigger firm tried to buy us out. I declined. I wasn't done. Then one day, we expanded into a new city. I needed a local fleet manager. My hiring team sent over a list of interviews. I flipped through the names and froze. Caleb Foster. I double-checked the resume. Same guy. Bachelor's degree in sports management. Washed out of college football. Bounced around a few warehouse gigs. Nothing stable. Applied to us through a generic hiring portal. I didn't say anything. Just told HR to bring him in. I watched from the security feed as he walked in for the interview. He looked older. No more Audi. Just khakis and a tucked-in polo that didn't quite fit. He shook hands with our recruiter and took a seat. He didn't recognize the company name. Or me. I made sure he got the job. Not as a manager, though. As a driver. Week later, I flew in. Did surprise check-ins with staff. When I got to Caleb's van, he looked confused. Sorry, who are you? He asked. I smiled. I'm the owner. His eyes narrowed, scanning my face, and I watched the realization hit him like a car crash. Wait, did you used to work at Burger King? Yup, I said, with the same smile I wore every night at that drive-thru window. He opened his mouth, probably to apologize, but I cut him off. I like your numbers. Reliable. On time. That's what matters here. He swallowed hard and nodded. Thanks. I didn't humiliate him. Didn't mention the pennies or the fake orders. I just let him clock in and do his job because I didn't need revenge. I already won. Now, years later, Caleb still works for the company. Quiet, professional, keeps to himself. He's one of our best drivers. Sometimes I see him at company cookouts, chatting with the younger staff. I wonder if he tells them about high school, about the kid he used to make fun of through a greasy window, but I doubt it. The truth is, I don't think he even needs to, because every time he puts on that company jacket, parks that van, and clocks into a job I created from the ashes of humiliation, that's enough. The real flex? I didn't outgrow the drive-thru. I turned it into a freeway.